Something I'd like to point out, and it's very important, is seed types. Where you purchase your seed, what seed, and what kind of seed. Here at our farm, we don't believe in hybrids. Hybrids, in our opinion, simply they're not natural. They're genetically altered, and not only that, they don't produce a seed after they're finished growing. There's something wrong with that. Therefore, we always choose heirloom or open pollinated seed. Along with the purchase of your seed, it's important that you research the company that you're going to purchase from. Try to look for companies who offer organic, heirloom, and open pollinated seed. Here I have some radish seed, and what I'd like to point out here is it's always important to pay attention to the seed specs on the back of your package and your culture, also the disease and pests that it's susceptible to, also when it's due for harvest. These are very important to pay attention to. It will dictate when you're going to seed and when you're going to harvest and the maintenance of the plant. I'd like to go on ahead and remind you that whenever you're going to be seeding out of a paper envelope, I'll go on ahead and just demonstrate and open this up. I'm going to use my paring knife to open it, and let's say that I've already sprinkled my seed. I'm finished. I'm going to fold it over, get a nice tight crease on that. Then I'm going to pull out a plastic bag. I'm going to set my envelope of seed inside of here, and that way my seed is protected.